Want to create a romantic dinner that's both impressive and easy? This spicy shrimp pomodoro with Barilla's limited edition heart-shaped pasta is your answer. Start by bringing a pot of water to boil and pour in the pasta. While that's cooking, let's make our sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan and add minced garlic. Add your shrimp along with Italian seasoning and red pepper flakes for that perfect kick of heat. Once the shrimp start to turn pink, add your halved cherry tomatoes. After a quick toss, pour in those beautiful San Marzano tomatoes. A few tablespoons of butter will make the sauce silky smooth. Add fresh baby spinach. Parmesan cheese adds the salty, nutty flavor that brings everything together. Drain your pasta and add it directly to the pan. Toss it all together, coating those hearts in that beautiful tomato sauce. Finish with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan, and there you have it, a restaurant-worthy dinner that just took minutes to prepare. Perfect for Valentine's Day or any special evening in. Follow us for more delicious recipes featuring herbs and spices.